Every smooth turn on the mountain starts with a tool you might not think about: the ski pole. Built for balance, precision, and endurance, this essential gear is the result of engineering that blends strength and lightness into one perfect piece. We begin with high-strength 7075 or 6061 aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, or carbon fiber, depending on your needs. Each shaft is precision-cut, heat-treated for durability, then polished to eliminate surface inconsistencies before entering the CNC line. Our CNC systems shape each pole for precise grip fit, basket threading, and tip alignment. Key zones are machined to tight tolerances, reducing weight without sacrificing structural integrity. Every pole undergoes color treatment, whether it's matte anodizing, glossy powder coating, or laser-textured grip zones. Your brand comes to life through UV-resistant decals, laser etching, or multicolor silk screening, all done in-house. Grips are injection molded using durable EVA, cork rubber blends, or high-impact plastics tailored for feel, durability, and winter grip. Hand straps are sewn from nylon, leather, or neoprene, comfort tested and strength certified. Stainless tips and baskets are fitted and locked in with custom thread inserts or epoxy for long-term use. We test every pole for straightness, impact strength, weight balance, and material fatigue. At Yijin Solution, quality is not just a step, it's a standard. Whether you're producing 500 or 50,000 pairs, consistency is guaranteed. Let's build gear that moves with you on every mountain in every season. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on CNC and precision machining.